Hi everyone, this is Delilah from the Holistic Enchilada. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got these curls using the EVOLVh SmartCurl Discovery Kit. So I only use the 4 products that come in this set to get this style right here. So I'm going to walk you through my styling routine using the products. This is what I recommend for anybody with curly hair. In addition to this, there are a couple of other EVOLVh products that could work for your hair. The TotalControl Styling Cream is a really good, it's not really a cream, I think. It's more kind of like a hybrid between a cream and a gel. It's got more hold than the curl cream that comes in this kit. And the WonderBalm serum is amazing for curly hair as well. That's not included in this, but those are 2 other products that I would suggest you try out. Get the small sizes along with the Curls Discovery Kit so you can play around with the different products and see which your hair prefers. Yeah, so for anybody with curly hair, this is definitely the set that I would recommend. And the more hair you have, the drier your hair is, the curlier it is. Usually you're gonna need a little more moisture, so you would use more product than what I'm using. My hair is very thin, very fine, and it is not dry at all. My hair doesn't like a lot of moisture, so I'm very light-handed with the leave-in conditioner and the curl cream that come in this set. But for most people, you're going to use a lot more product than I'm using. You're going to section your hair to style it, but I kind of just want to show you how I use these 4 products to achieve bouncy, soft curls without any frizz. So go ahead and keep watching so you can see exactly how to use the SmartCurl set from EVOLVh. All right, so I have shampooed and conditioned my hair using the SmartCurl shampoo and conditioner. And I just kind of threw it in this plop just so I can come over here and sit down and start showing you my routine. Normally, I'm doing all of this on soaking wet hair in the shower. So do keep that in mind. I have my little spray water bottle here to re-wet my hair as I'm styling because it really should be dripping wet when you're applying your leave-in conditioner and your curl cream or any styling products for that matter. So I did the SmartCurl shampoo and conditioner, rinsed it out, and now I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner. And you can see it's like all tangled and messy, but I don't really care right now, so I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner. And I don't spray that much in my hair because, like I said, it's pretty fine and thin, and this has a lot of moisture. My hair doesn't like too much moisture, so I don't want to overdo it because that will weigh it down. But for most people with curly hair, you're going to want to put a lot more than what I'm using. And I'm just gonna finger comb it through. It's really not wet enough, so I'm gonna add some more water. Now the reason you want it to be wet and dripping wet is because it's really gonna help your curls clump together to reduce stringiness and mainly frizz. The wetter your hair is when you apply your styling products, the less frizz you're gonna have once it's dry. So that's really important to do. So now that it's wet, you can see that it's actually like clumping and it's not just all stringy. I can move on. I'm gonna put a little bit more leave-in conditioner towards the ends just because I feel like it needs to soften up a little bit more. That's good. Awesome. And now I'm actually going to flip over and kind of brush my hair forward just so that I can get a little bit of volume and lift in the roots. Okay, so I've kind of brushed it forward with my fingers, and now I am going to put on the Super Curl Defining Cream. And if I'm just using this product alone to style my hair like I am now, I'm going to put more than I usually would. This product provides a bit of hold, lots of definition and moisture. I usually like something with a little more hold on my fine hair, but this does work for me as well, and it actually does give me a good amount of volume. So I'm going to start off with a small amount, and I'm kind of just going to rake through from the underneath and over the top. And this application method right here is what's going to really help start forming the curl clumps. I'm going to get a little bit more and I'm going to glaze it, which is when you kind of just lightly pass over. And then I'm going to try to get some in near this root area here because I get a lot of frizz there. So I'm just going to rake right through. that area. Okay, and now I'm just going to spend some time scrunching up and making sure that it is evenly distributed and really encouraging the curls to form. If I start to see frizz or stringiness, I always add a little bit of water. That usually fixes it. Sometimes it'll need a little more conditioner or styling product. Okay, once I'm done, I'll flip over and kind of just let it fall wherever, and then I take another just very small amount of the curl cream, super curl cream, and I'm just going to scrunch up. So I'm just making sure that the ends have enough product, because that's the part that for me frizzes the most and dries quickly. So I want to make sure that I have enough hold and product in that area. So it's just one last touch of curl cream. Once I'm done, then I'm going to take my hair towel and I'm going to do something called micro plopping, which is when you take the towel and you just press the hair up against your scalp, and this is how I'm going to towel dry my hair so that it's not dripping. You can go up and squeeze as well. Flip to the other side and do the same thing. Once I've got all the product in and it's not dripping, then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna diffuse dry, just because I don't like air drying very much. I'm very impatient about it. So I'm going to use my diffuser attachment of my hair dryer to dry my hair, and then I'll come back and show you what the finished result looks like. Okay, so here are the finished results. I just finished diffusing, so it's pretty big right now. It will fall a little bit with time as it settles, but you can see they are soft, bouncy, defined curls, as you can see. This is pretty typical, the results that I get using the SmartCurl line. Sometimes I will use the WonderBalm serum on top once it's dry and scrunch it in just for like a little extra definition and shine and softness. I really like that product. But I mean, this is just using the 4 products in the SmartCurl's Discovery Kit. So you can totally achieve results like this using only 4 products, which I love. I like simple routines, and then this will last me a couple of days. Depending on how much product I use, the more product I use, the sooner it'll get greasy and flat near my roots. So I try not to get too much near my roots, but that's just my hair. And I try not to use too much product. The more I use, like I said, the quicker it will go flat. So for me, something like this will last about 3 days that I can actually wear my hair down. And then depending on if I feel like picking it up or not, I'll wash again, or I'll let it go another day or 2. Let me show you what the back looks like. You can see. Yep, so those are my results using the SmartCurl line from EVOLVh. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you understand how to use these products. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find me at The Holistic Enchilada. I have a blog, website, Instagram, pretty much everywhere. Just Google The Holistic Enchilada and you'll find me. Thanks for watching.